in a galaxy far, far away. What up, guys? Dexter Cool here, and welcome back to another video. And today we're back playing Minecraft. Oh, you don't fly. And as you guys can see, I actually finally got a new skin. Look at it. Nice. Crap. So nice and stuff. So yeah, I made this skin on my own. Let me go to the back. Because that's where all the action. Okay. Oh, stopping right there. I'm stopping the choice of words right there. I have this little gaping hole that looks at you forever. So you guys will see in the rest of my videos. Yeah, yay! I got it. Okay. Wow. Okay, I don't know why my intros are always so embarrassing. But today we're going to, I wouldn't say start a new series. Actually, I kind of would, but I kind of wouldn't at the same time. It's going to be like a building thing. Not series, a building thing. So in this thing, I build creations that you guys suggest. But for the first episode, since you guys can't suggest anything, it's the first episode, I actually want to build something I think will be fun. Now this build will probably be a build that takes a really long time to do. Because it's going to be really long. What I want to build is the bronze play button that you're supposed to get, I believe, at 100 subscribers. Yeah, I think. So, no, not Soul Sand. You know what? Actually, no, I'm going to use... Here we go. Under here, we should have black. No, it's like brown mostly. Yeah, okay. So I want to make that play button. So this is probably going to be one of the ones that take forever as the first build. I'm actually thinking, how am I going to do this? Okay. Okay. That looks nice for starting point. I'm going to go like this, go like that, go like that, go like that, go like that, and break my finger off. How was my finger already hurting? No, put that right there. That right there. Put that right there. This is already gonna turn out horrible. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna save it by doing this. I say this, but then I don't do anything, which makes this irrelevant, which is kind of embarrassing. Okay. No, so I'm gonna save it. No, I didn't say make it worse. Actually, yeah, that doesn't look like it's gonna be bad. I know I'm not being sarcastic. I'm not. I'm not. I will never do that face again. I don't embarrass myself in front of the only friends that I have. Oh, and also the reason I haven't been recording a lot is because, like, you guys know that school's coming around and it's really hard to keep up with trying to get ready for school and also recording. So, yeah. That's why I haven't been recording a lot. Hard to do so. Sorry if I keep on cutting in the middle of my sentences. It's just that I'm not good at building, and I want this to be a good one. So, okay. So think of it like this. Since, like, I'm building up to get the bronze play button. That's what I'm building. Like, once I get the bronze play button, then I'll actually build the silver play button, because that's what I would want to get next. Just so you guys know, that's what's happening. Okay. Like right here? Yeah, I do. No, wait. Oh, come on. There's just... Right? Yeah. I'll be right back after I do the fill. I know I said I was only going to do the filling in, and then I was going to show you guys this part. I did the whole thing because I was not about to show. I swear. It took me at least 30 minutes to fill this all in. This is the only one that I'm going to do that's like actually 3D. Guys, please don't suggest any 3D items. Please. They're so hard to make. But all the other play buttons are probably going to be 2D. I made this one 3D because it's going to be the first milestone that we have. So, this is the start of a new series, quote unquote. But I'm going to end this episode here. If you're new to the channel, remember to slice up that subscribe button with your lightsabers. And if you like the video, remember to use the force on that like button. And before you guys leave, remember to tell Luke that I am his father, Darth Vader. Oh. Peace. Pow. No, just, I don't, what was that with my hand? Let's try it again. Darth Vader. Out.